What if I told you that Google Chrome might be storing your credit card information and personal details right on your phone? Most people never check these settings, but changing just 3 options can add an extra layer of protection to your browsing experience. And the scariest part? Google doesn't notify you about any of this. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find these settings and what to change in less than 2 minutes. Make sure you watch until the end because the third setting is one that most people completely overlook. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and security guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your phone. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings, Payment Methods. Here you'll see an option called Save Security Codes. If this is turned on, Chrome can store your card's CVV or CVC security code. While this makes online checkout faster, it also means your payment information is more accessible if someone gets access to your device. For better security, switch this setting off. That's step 1 done. Step 2. Enable identity verification. While you're still in the Payment Methods section, look for Confirm Identity for Payment Autofill. Turn this setting on. Now, whenever Chrome tries to autofill your payment details, you'll need to verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock. It only takes a second, but it adds an important security check before your payment information is used. Simple but effective. Step 3. Disable Address Autofill. Now go back to Chrome settings and tap Addresses and More. If Save and Fill Addresses is enabled, Chrome stores information such as home address, delivery address, phone number, and other contact details. For added privacy, consider turning this setting off. Yes, you'll have to enter your information manually when shopping online, but many people prefer that extra control over their personal data. Now I want to hear from you. When you checked your Chrome settings, which of these options was already enabled on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who shops online regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.